What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix hotspot connection problems on your Android device in 2024. One of the primary reasons why you might encounter hotspot connection problems is due to incorrect network settings or minor software glitches that can easily disrupt the normal functioning of your device's connectivity features. Another reason could be outdated system settings that no longer align with the network requirements. The first and simplest step to troubleshoot this issue is to toggle airplane mode on and off. This action refreshes your device's connectivity with the network. Swipe down from the top of your device to access the Quick Settings panel, and tap on the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Wait for a few seconds, and then tap on it again to turn it off. If you're unable to find airplane mode in the Quick Settings, don't worry. Just open the Settings app and use the search bar to find airplane mode. Toggling it on and off from here works just the same. If the airplane mode trick doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to reset your network settings. This is a more thorough approach to ensuring that any incorrect or corrupted network settings are wiped clean, giving your device a fresh start in establishing connections. To do this, navigate to your device's settings. Use the search bar to find Reset Network Settings, and proceed with the reset. Remember, this will erase all saved networks and passwords, so make sure to back these up if necessary. Lastly, if you're still facing hotspot connectivity issues, a device restart might be in order. Occasionally, software bugs or glitches can interfere with your hotspot's performance. Holding down the power button on your Android device will bring up the power menu. Select Restart from this menu to reboot your device. A restart can often eliminate any temporary software issues that might be causing your hotspot to malfunction. Implementing these steps should resolve most hotspot connection problems on your Android device. Whether it's a glitch in the system or an issue with your network settings, these solutions cover the most common bases. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.